Now we need to find the value of x here, right? Now here we need to do some construction, otherwise it's difficult to do. Now don't think this has a cyclic quadrilateral, because now you can see this vertex, this one and this one on the right, but this one not on the circumference, that is on the center. So that's why if it is a cyclic quadrilateral, all vertices must be on the circumference. So here is not like that. So that's why this is not on the circumference, no. So that's why this is not a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, now how to get the x, right? Here I will do a construction, right? That's the idea. Now you need to have these theorem, these facts in your mind, right? Then you will feel what to do here actually, right? Now, and also with experience. Now here I will make a construction like this, right? Now you can see this is a cyclic quadrilateral. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now if this is 120 and this is, you can tell, because we know this plus this should be 180, because this is a cyclic quadrilateral, no? This is a cyclic quadrilateral, right? This is a cyclic quadrilateral. So that's why this plus this should be 180. We know in a cyclic quadrilateral opposite angles are supplementary. So you can write here, you can put your own letter here, except x here. You can put like a, right? Now you can write what the 120 plus a, right, should be 180. For the reason, opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral are add up to 180. Or we can tell in a cyclic quadrilateral opposite angle are supplementary. So here we need to find a, we need to get a here. 120 bring to here, so 180 bring to minus 120, because here plus 120, if you bring to here it will be minus. So here will be a equal 180 minus 120 mean it's 60 degree, right? You can do it in mind even, but from 180 minus 120, but if you need to show it, you have to show like this way, right? Okay, now here 60, a is 60, then you know this theorem, from the same two place, from the same two place of the circumference, from this two place go to center, and from that same two place go to circumference. So you know this angle will be twice of this. From same two place go to center, from same two place, same two place mean here and here, right? From that 2 point go to center, and from that same 2 point go to circumference. So this angle will be twice of this. So you can write x will be 2 times of a. Now a we know, no? A mean 60, right? That mean x will be 120, right? So this is the answer for x.